Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about how to create model in D365. Go to Dynamics 365 menu and click on Model Management. Here we will able to find the click Create Model. It asks for the model name. You can give your own model name. It is asking for the model publisher, and here it asks for the layer, whether it is a USR or CUS layer or VAR layer or ISV layer. Today I'm just including your user layer. If you wish to give the model description, you can give. Click on next. Today I am creating a new package here. Click on next. It is asking to select referenced packages. Already application platform is selected. I am selecting one more package called Fiscal Books. Click on next. See here, the referenced packages are application platform and Fiscal Books. Create a new project. After clicking on finish, it will create a new project and make this my default model for new projects. If you are going to create a new projects in future, this will be their default model. Click on finish. See. Now the new project will be created. If we click OK here, you can give your own project name and click OK. See here, the new project is created within the ACPay model and it is a user layer. Okay. And one more thing I want to show you guys. View, Application Explorer. Here we have a data types, data model, code, user interface, etc. Click on expand this data model. We'll able to see few tables. That is the existing tables. Okay. What we have selected the referenced packages. One is the Fiscal Books and other one is the application platform, right? See here, this comes under Fiscal Books. See here, this already it is written here. This model comes under the Fiscal Books. Right click. We can create an extension. Means we can create an extension. We can add to a new project or we can duplicate in the project or create extension in the new project. Okay. If we click the create extension here, see what will happen. Now open the Solution Explorer. See here, it is already came here, like we have created the table extensions. Okay. And coming to the application suite, right click. See here, create extension is disabled because in referenced packages we didn't mention the application suite. Okay. If you want to create extension for this application suite, like for this application suite model, so what we have to do is we no need to create a new model again. Go for a Dynamics 365 model management, update model parameters. If you click this update model parameters, and it will ask for the select reference packages. At that time, if you give the application suite, so that it will create a extension easily. Okay. Not only for the tables, you can create extensions for classes, forms, security, menu item, things you can create a extension. Thank you.